Hey, my name is Timo Marjomäki. Thanks for your interest in aquatic science. As you can see, in Jyväskylä we are in the middle of Lake District of Finland, and therefore our aquatic science mostly is interested in fresh waters. Obviously we are interested in other waters as well, but you can see that freshwater is our main interest in Jyväskylä: lakes, rivers and wetlands. And the main themes obviously are limnology, which is the lake science itself, or aquatic science, freshwater science. But we are interested in fish biology and sustainable fisheries because of the fact that those are important for us in Finland as food sources, for example, and globally as well. But not only those. One of the specialities in Jyväskylä is aquatic parasitology. You know that more than 50% of the species in the world are parasites. Even the freshwater pearl mussel that we have here in Finland as one of our study objects. What you will be learning here in Jyväskylä if you attend our education. Obviously the central principles and theories of aquatic science, the structure and function of aquatic ecosystems, but importantly the human impact, the anthropogenic effects on aquatic ecosystems, and remember ecosystem services and the sustainable use of ecosystem services, conservation, restoration and so on. Obviously more generic things you will be learning as well, for example, how to plan and carry out research and do that according to the ethical principles. Our program is a 2-year program, and the minimum number of credits you have to be earning during the 2 years is 120. We have the traditional lectures, obviously, that you can follow, but then also we have practical laboratory courses where you will be learning, for example, how to identify aquatic biota, plankton, benthos and so on. But on top of that we have field courses where you have your own hands on the object itself, the lake and rivers. You will be sampling them and you will be analyzing data and doing reports and so on. Obviously one of the main parts of your study components is the thesis itself. You make research of your own, but not alone, together with the research team and experts who will be supervising and guiding you through the process. After graduation, you have multiple choices, obviously. For example, many of our students, they end up working in environmental consultant companies, aquaculture industry, for example, also administration, research organizations, non-governmental organizations, and so on, and more globally, for example, in United Nations. You might become an educator as I, or editor. You might have your own company, and many of our international students end up making their doctoral degree also here in Jyväskylä. How about the eligibility of you, for you? Obviously you have to show your English proficiency. You can find the details on the internet. You must hold a bachelor level degree, obviously, from a suitable field, for example, aquatic science, fisheries and so on, but not only those, environmental science, any branch of biological science, and even environmental engineering, if the degree includes some ecosystem studies, not only technical engineering. So remember that we have also winter and ice here in Jyväskylä. Thanks for listening. You are welcome to apply.